Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl T in the cut. Y'all already know what's going on. Back at it again with another video. Y'all, this is really day 2. I was not messing with my intro from yesterday, so I'm doing another one. In the next few clips, y'all finna see me do it yourself rug. Yeah, I mean, what else do I need to tell y'all? Just stay tuned for the clips that's coming up, right?
Flashback.
First, I had wasted my wax stuff on here. The smell good stuff. I need to scrape that off. And yeah, stay tuned. Since I'm using one hand, I'm trying to hold this with my foot so y'all can see how I'm scraping it off. Smell good coming up. Well, y'all, this is the best I could do.
I cut my thumb on the scissors. Straight slice that shit.
Alright, y'all. Let's get started. I do got my Mod Podge. Lord, I ain't opened this thing in years. Open this. And I hate asking niggas for shit. Alright, y'all. I'm done. I'll be back. He had a little trouble too, but together we made it happen. Actually, I never used this. When it did get used, my mom had used it. Very creative woman. Very, very creative. But yeah, I'm scared. But let's just do it. Just do it, Tiara. Just do it. As y'all can see, I'm gonna start off with that first. Start off little. Alright, y'all. My phone don't have much memory, so. But I'm back. Alright, y'all. I cut my first piece.
This morning at Hussein and his statue right here. We're on our way to go meet Mac and his.
Show y'all. That's what it looked like, but I need to cut that little smaller patch. It might not turn out bad after all. Okay, y'all. So my Mod Podge really isn't like doing its job. You know what I mean? It's not fulfilling its duties. It's not sticking the way it's supposed to be sticking. But y'all just bought 200 gigabytes of space on my phone so I can record this video. So y'all better like it, comment, and subscribe to it. No, y'all don't better it, but it would be nice. But I'ma finish. I'll probably do cut 2 more strips, finish it tomorrow because this is very time consuming. It's not like I got anything else to do today. I don't understand why my Mod Podge isn't working. I ain't fucking with that. But I'm gonna try it again on this and let it sit overnight and see if it dries because I am being impatient. I'm expecting it to dry in like 5 seconds. I know it ain't gonna work like that. I don't know. But making sure it's even is tough. I'm pretty sure there's probably an easier way for me to do this, but could be. Hope this even. Lord. I don't know why I be getting in all types of positions.
You can sell those things right from your home.
Put it. Oh, we use this to fill in this spot. Let's see. This cutting shit ain't no joke. Alright, y'all. Let's get into it. Y'all look rough. I know. Don't worry about me. Worry about you. Also, I might have changed my mind. I might do 2 more. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. It's coming out pretty nice. I can say that. It's coming out better than expected. And I always take what's better than I expected, because not everything goes your way. Not everything gonna go your way, you know? I'm gonna do a total room makeover, y'all. Okay, maybe not a total room makeover. I'm gonna still use what I got in it, but I'm gonna switch everything around, like everything. I'm even thinking about taking my wall of fame down and just reorganizing it in a different manner, so I can have more space to do stuff, if that makes sense. I can't really put a lot of stuff on this wall because I have a lot of stuff going on it. So once I take the stuff down, then I can start moving stuff around. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But that's another video, y'all. Room makeover. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Sitting in the room doing what I do. You know what I do when I do it, what I do. When I do it, how I do it, and I do it when I do it, and you know how I do it. Yeah, do it. It's not just funny. You know, I might have enough just to cover my thing back up. It would be lit. It would be litter than a titty. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I done finished all 4 pieces, and this is what it looked like now. I have not glued anything down, but I am about to, so I can let it dry overnight to see if it's even going to stick. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing to make it stick to the rug, making sure that I use enough.
Several song-filled hours later.
Hey y'all, so I got bored. It's currently 11 o'clock right now, and whew, this one was a tough one. But as y'all can see, I only had these 4 done. And yeah, just tune in.
The next morning.
Alright y'all, it's day 2. Let me pause this. And it dried pretty good in some parts it didn't. I'm gonna cut this excess stuff off. Look at that. For the most part, it did work. I'm gonna fill in the spots that need more glue and let it dry. Hey. Shout out to my brother for letting me use his phone stand. That's
a little bit of warmth, it just sort of gives it a nice flavour. Don't go crazy. I'm going to put these into an oven, 350 degrees. Sugar and rum. Smells fantastic. Onto the machine now.
Oh shit.
We're going to start this off.
That little triangle I cut out first fits perfectly.
I thought it was so fun that my mom let me
Look at
destroy
that.
something in the kitchen.
It fit perfect.
Day 3.
Hey y'all, back at it again with another video. This is day 3 of my do-it-yourself rug. Yeah, I started putting the black down last night. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. My niece was going in and out of my door, so she ended up waking me up. And I came in here and just started doing some stuff. It's never too early to drink, right? Y'all, I'm done with my rug. I done trimmed up any excess fabric that was left over, swept it off as much as I could without ruining anything because everything isn't dry. But here's the outcome, you guys, and I am low-key digging it. Like, it turned out pretty good, y'all. My first time doing this, and I like it. So y'all, stay tuned for my room makeover because that's definitely next. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.